also known as a sleeping policeman. It stops you every single time. Coming across on my left side is a beautifully painted pyramid building. Is called Alias Française. It is where one goes to learn French, and there is also an art studio on the inside. Ladies and gents, our itinerary for today is a 2-hour excursion. We'll go to the city of Castries. We do have a stop at the church, and then we'll go to the beach for an hour. When you get to the beach, we'll serve you complimentary fruit punches. And also the sunbears are not complimentary. They are only $5 for the hour you'll be at the beach. Ladies and gents, you may also notice we have some holy roads. It only means we are blessed. And if there's one thing on the island, our drivers do have a PhD. Pothole dodger. So ladies and gents, when I stop talking, I will pause. I will say choo-choo, and you will say train. Let's give it a try. Choo-choo. Train. Choo-choo-choo. Train, train, train. Just checking. So guys, where are you from? Where are you from? Shout it out for taking hear it. Boston. Boston, where else again? Florida. Where else? Florida. St. Martin, Florida, where else again? Texas. Canada, okay, where else again? Texas. Iowa, welcome guys. So wherever you're from, New Hampshire, wherever you're from, welcome one and welcome all. Right across on my right side is the Castries Fisheries complex. It was built by the Canadian and the Japanese government. It is now under renovation, so it's fully functional. It holds up to 1,000 tons of fish. Fishes such as tuna fish, dolphin and snapper, just to name a few. And the dolphin in question is the mahi-mahi. You may also notice we drive on the correct side, the left side. You may drive on the right side, but we drive on the correct side. Big difference, right? You are all going to become certified drivers. Drive on the correct side today. It's very easy, you can do it. Coming across on my right side is the Cream Building. It's the only company which provides the island with electricity. Ladies and gents, the island's voltage is 220 volts. It's also a diesel generated system, which means so ladies and gents, every time the price of diesel goes up, and depending on your appliances, will determine the amount of money you spend every month for electricity. We are now headed down to the city, the capital, Castries, named after a French minister, Marquis de Castries. St Lucia has 1 capital, 3 towns, and 6 fishing villages. And coming across on my right side, we get for a photo, is the fishing complex, and the exercise and the end part of the ship. So if you care for a photo, right across on my right side is the fishing complex, Alias Française, and the end part of your ship. On my right side, be careful for a photo. Ladies and gents, coming across on my right side is the main port of entry for the cruise ships. And as you can see, we have 4 ships in port today. Costa Pacifica, Silver Dawn, Serena, and your ship. On a busy cruise ship, there is they can hold up to 5 cruise ships, depending on the size. The only one that cannot come into the harbor is the Queen Mary. It's the older version of ship with way too much bottom, so she stays out and tenders in. Ladies and gents, also 2 English vessels were destroyed there by a German submarine, and those vessels were the Tata and the Lady Nelson, also used back in the day as a coaling station. So the bear on my right is the reason why the French and the British fought 14 times by St Lucia, 7 times French, and 7 times British, over 150 years of battle. They both won 7 times each. However, in the year 1814, the French signed a treaty and handed us over to the British, which is why in St Lucia we are bilingual. Right across on my right side is the monument. It's called the All-in-One Statue. It was placed there on our 40th year of anniversary. So this island was used as a slave trade back in the day. So the monument portrays a journey our Texas took coming down to the western world and into the Cayman Islands. Ladies and gents, coming across on my right side, the main of setting is the arcade, and over on my left side is the craft market, where you go to buy your local souvenirs on the island. When you buy your items here, you support the local economy. Thank you in advance for your many purchases. It has also suffered 4 major fires. And the last fire was in the year 1948, where this fire destroyed one-third of the city of Castries because of the housing back in the day. To my left side, on the back end, you will see the cream and green buildings. Those are called the colonial buildings. It was built by the government to accommodate the homeless people after the 1948 fire in the city of Castries. Mary! Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. So ladies and gents, before you leave the island, don't forget to sample or buy some banana ice cream. It's finger licking good. Right across on my left side is the liquor store. Should you want to buy tobacco, remember the discounted price, duty-free price, you can buy it right there. And over on my right side is the Place Carinage, the second duty-free shopping complex. Le Carinage was the other name used for St Lucia. And if you are wondering, does the name St Lucia have any meaning? Yes, it does. St Lucia, the saint of light. Choo-choo? No, when I say choo-choo, you say train. Choo-choo? Train. Ah, good. Coming across on my right side is the biggest bank on the island, Bank of St Lucia, formerly known as the Chase Manhattan Bank, right on the right side, ladies and gents. See, to my right side is the General Post Office. If you are a stamp collector or want to post your postcard, that's where you will go. The side where the ship is docked on, there is a postal box there, and some of the shops do sell postal stamps. So you have to come downtown Castries, was brought to you already, on the side where the ship is docked. Over on my left side, ladies and gents, is the Blue Coral Mall, one of the many malls found on this island. We are now headed down to the Prince Street area. And on my right side is Home Depot. It's actually more Depot. Ours is red and blue. What color is yours? Orange. Orange? Ah. It's actually more Depot, but more expensive down here. ladies and gents, right across on my right side is the First National Bank, formerly known as the Penny Bank. It has been here for 75 years and still going. If you are wondering, 60% of the island's population is Catholic. We are going to come to a stop at the island's biggest Catholic church. It's called the Minor Basilica of the Immaculate Conception.